Today we intend to clone Chelsea's landing page. It's going to be a very short, impactful, and insightful section. Today we intend to create an endless carousel in Figma. An endless carousel in Figma is a design element that allows the user to scroll through a series of images or other content in a loop without reaching an endpoint. To carefully understand this demonstration, follow me as I walk you through. The first thing you do is try and draw out your landing page, just like the way I have it here. Sketch out your landing page. Then, whichever space that you intend to put the Figma carousel, put out a frame there. So you measure it out this way. Yeah, I think it's well aligned. Then you copy out the frame. Bring it there. Do this. Paste. So in the frame, you go to the fill option. You click on this and you select image. Choose the kind of image that you want. So here I want to put Lauren James. So how many pages do we have here for the landing page? Oh, sorry, how many variants do we have here for the landing page? We have 3 variants, which means we intend to use 3 different images. So copy, paste. This is for frame 2. Wow, this will be for frame 3. Now put them all in a group. So you can leave it as group 1. Copy, you paste it in the first variant. Okay. You repeat the same process for the second and the third variant. Here you go to your prototype. And prototype, you click on kind of interaction that you want between the first variant and the second variant. So you saw what I did. Make sure you click on after delay. And after delay, navigate to okay. You can choose smart animation. You repeat the same thing. You also choose smart animation. Variant. You return it back to the first variant. So if you noticed, I didn't touch uh, the number number of seconds in the after delay and the duration of the time to ease out. I didn't touch it. The reason why I didn't touch it is because I don't want to mess up this demonstration. But you can edit it to whichever timeline that you want. So it's not a must that you must follow this particular guideline that I'm giving. The most important thing is for you to get the process of the endless carousel. So this is the final result. Yeah, if you both found out there and you enjoyed this demonstration, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure you join me for the next class. And if you want to learn more, kindly check out the link in my description box to learn some of my other tutorials. Like my most recent one before now is how to model an object in Figma without a previous animation knowledge.